let's hop into the intro. So hey guys, yesterday I was just hanging out with my friends, and one of them is a good photographer, and he gave me a challenge for a B-roll. And the challenge is that you create something interesting out of boring chores. Like you have to shoot boring chores, boring events, or like boring places and make them interesting. So I was just thinking, what is boring? Then I just drifted off to sleep, and this morning when I woke up, I just wanted to have a cup of coffee, but I went to my kitchen and I saw there is no coffee in there. So I had to buy some coffee powder, and then I just got an idea that why can't I just go buy coffee beans and grind it? And you're like, I'm sitting home doing nothing. So I just went to the market and bought some beans. Then I got another idea for my B-roll. Like, why don't I shoot the process of making coffee? Like, most of the people think making coffee is boring, but I think it's interesting. Let me know whether you're interested in making coffee or just you think it is a boring chore in the comment section below. And so let's hop into it. So guys, the coffee is done. It tasted amazing, and if you like my content, please do share, like and subscribe, and well, you guys know what to do. This is Gagan signing off.